Upgrading to replacement windows in Sumter is one of the most effective ways to improve your home's comfort, curb appeal, and energy efficiency. But even the highest quality windows cannot perform well if they're installed incorrectly. Many homeowners are surprised to learn that installation mistakes, not the windows themselves, are among the biggest reasons for drafts, leaks, and premature wear. If you're planning a window replacement project, understanding what to avoid can save you money, time, and frustration. Here are the most common installation mistakes and how to make sure your new windows deliver the comfort and performance you expect. Incorrect window measurements. Accurate measurements are the foundation of any successful window installation. Even a small measuring error can lead to windows that don't sit properly in the opening, causing gaps, air leaks, or difficulty operating the sash. In Sumter's humid climate, such mistakes can also allow moisture inside, causing rot or mold growth over time. To avoid this, measurements must be taken at different points across the width, height, and depth of the opening. Professional installers use specialized tools and double-check all dimensions before ordering your replacement windows. Cutting corners here often leads to costly adjustments, or having to reorder new windows entirely. Improper removal of old windows. Removing old windows may seem simple, but doing it incorrectly can damage your home's trim, siding, or surrounding structure. Some installers rush this step, leaving behind debris or failing to repair the opening before placing the new window. Proper removal involves carefully detaching the frame, scraping away old caulk, inspecting for rot, and making sure the opening is square and level. If there is moisture damage, common in older Sumter homes, this needs to be repaired before installing the new unit. Skipping this step can cause your replacement windows to fail prematurely. Skipping necessary insulation. One of the most common mistakes in window replacement is failing to properly insulate around the frame. Even a well-fit window can allow drafts if the gaps between the frame and the wall aren't filled correctly. Some installers use too much expanding foam, which can warp the frame, while others use too little, leaving your home vulnerable to heat loss. Because Sumter experiences both hot summers and cool winters, insulation is essential for maintaining consistent indoor temperatures. The right installer will use the correct low expansion foam or fiberglass insulation and make sure the window operates smoothly afterward. Poor sealing and caulking. Caulking might seem like a small finishing detail, but it plays a major role in keeping moisture and outside air from creeping into your home. Poor caulking is one of the top causes of leaks around replacement windows. Homeowners often notice these problems months after installation, when heavy rain or humidity begins to seep through cracks. A high-quality waterproof sealant must be applied carefully and evenly around the edges of the window. Skilled installers also choose products designed for Sumter's weather, ensuring long-lasting protection. Not leveling or securing the window properly. Windows that aren't level or square will not function properly. They may stick, fail to close tightly, or create gaps that reduce energy efficiency. Even slight misalignment can compromise the window's performance. Experienced installers use shims to keep the window perfectly aligned and test its operation before finalizing the installation. This ensures the sash slides smoothly, locks securely, and seals tightly. Ignoring local climate considerations. Sumter's climate requires extra attention to moisture control, UV exposure, and thermal expansion. Installers unfamiliar with the area may treat the project like any standard window installation, overlooking the specific weather challenges homeowners face here. Using the right flashing, sealants, and installation techniques ensures your windows stand up to humidity, storms, and temperature swings. Working with a local professional is the best way to avoid climate-related installation issues. Final thoughts. Upgrading to replacement windows in Sumter is an investment that should deliver comfort, beauty, and long-lasting performance. By avoiding common installation mistakes and choosing a qualified local installer, you can protect your home, boost efficiency, and enjoy the full value of your new windows for years to come. If you're planning a window replacement project, take the time to do it right from the start. Your home will thank you.